Hey man, what's up? I got something really epic I want to show you. So I want to show you guys what Jim made. It's kind of cool. Jim's the editor that also edits these videos. So big shout out to Jim. Check him out on Instagram. Door slammed shut. We got thunderstorms on the way. The weather is really bad. Take a look at this. A lot of people might say this is typical Dutch weather, but I think we're breaking records this month. This is more Dutch than Dutch. These are 100 brine garlic cloves. I'm going to roast them in a pan until they turn buttery soft. And I'm not going to stop there. I'm putting them in a chicken. Smoke the chicken and the end result looks like this. On a scale from 1 to 10, like a million, man.
Eat a garlic clove and within a second after eating it, you think, I'm gonna eat another one.
Man, I love it. That's cool, right? It's like a TikTok video. It's like we're making that new format, TikTok style. And since we're editing that out of the original video and putting it on TikTok, I'm thinking it's such a shame to not put it on YouTube. Except I don't want you guys to be flushed with notifications on our main channel, Barbecue Pitmaster X. And so having you not flushed there basically means we need to start up a new channel. So it's gonna be Pitmaster X Shorts. And hey, baby girl, what's up? Hi, come. It's raining. You come here to cuddle? See? She always comes in. Check on what we're doing. Staying out of the rain. Yeah, you need to shed your winter coat, girl. You got a thick booty, eh? Too much barbecue. I'm probably the biggest dog feeder around. Setting up a channel like that is very easy. And the first thing that you need to do is give your dog some treats. There you go. This is a favorite one. You know why? It's wrapped in bacon. I don't know what's inside, but it's wrapped in bacon. So I'm gonna set up the channel. The dog is gonna have a nice treat, and then you guys can check out that short new channel, like Pitmaster X Shorts. That's probably what's gonna be. Links down below in the video description. Let me set it up. The rain's over, the channel's set up, so the link's down below, you can check it out. Subscribe, of course, if you want to get the notification to all of our shorts. Hope you guys are gonna enjoy it, because I think Jim did an amazing job. They're awesome. So yeah, I don't want you guys to miss out on it. But now we gotta do some shopping because, well, I gotta do some shopping because if I don't do the shopping now, I'm in big trouble. My son's gotta go to soccer practice again. And well, better hurry up. Turn off the lights. Hold on to the camera. Yeah. Go, daddy, go. So Dutch, the amount of rainfall. Here, quick update on our wadi. Like, look at the pipes go. Look good, right? And now I'm off to a farm where they have asparagus. Like the white ones, the white gold. That's amazing. Like, out of all of the vegetables, that's probably my favorite one. Or at least, well, is it my favorite? I can't think of, oh, turnips. Turnips are my all-time favorite. They're like, that's the one. That's the one. If turnips was a woman, I would probably marry her. Let's not make any accidents now. Just want to show you guys, look, these are asparagus. This is how they were grown, and we're gonna get these. These are from the farm that I'm getting them from. So let's go to the farm. Should be another 2 minutes driving. Never been there before, but I'm hoping it's good and they got plenty. At least it looks like they got plenty. This is it. I'm here, stay put. I'm getting me some asparagus. This is like a really nice, cute farmhouse in the middle of nowhere. It must have the best. That's always how it works. They're hard to find, but they're real gems. I got it. Look at these beauties. Straight as an arrow, fresh as can be, picked today. super awesome. So that's perfect for a recipe for tomorrow. So let's get out of here and see you guys some more, because then that's when it starts getting excited. For me, I gotta go get busy with soccer practice, cooking dinner, stuff like that, just like dad's homework, you know. So yeah, dad stuff, typical. See you guys tomorrow. I just found out that the lens was on manual focus, and of course I needed to be in autofocus, otherwise like never anything is gonna be in focus. Oh man, like I feel so like a screw up, you know. I'm trying to get it right. Like the last vlog, everything was out of focus. I hate that so much. Like I don't really hate it, but I hate it when it happens to me. Like I want to do it right. I want to do it perfect for you guys, but then putting the lens on manual focus because I want that one shot to be in focus, and then oh man, that's just terrible. That's just bad. Like I'm still in the learning process. We got this new camera, and I'm sure you will forgive me. I'm sure of it. I hope so. I hope so. So what you want to do is you want to put your asparagus submerged under icy cold water. Well, icy cold water is exaggerating, but like temperature of 8 degrees Celsius would be great, like fridge temperatures. This is great, but if you can put these in the fridge, that's even better, because then you're sure the temperature's right and you're not going to have any daylight, so they're not going to change color. Look. This is what I'm talking about. Nice and comfy, in the dark, in the wet, ready to be cooked tomorrow. And they're actually my first asparagus of the year, so the first ones are always fantastic. I talked to the lady in charge, and she told me that they have like actually a horrible asparagus season because they also need a little bit of warmth. And currently it's so cold this year, so they don't want to grow. They're not as big and plentiful as they are normally. But the good thing about this weather right now that we're having is like the rain replenished the amount of water that's in the ground, and that's going to help us during the summer, because the last 2 summers were so dry that actually like, well, everything was dying. Grasses were dying, crops were dying, so farmers are happy. Even though, yeah, we gotta just deal with like the cold, and the asparagus people are not that happy, but I'm happy. I'm gonna have like super delicious asparagus tomorrow. This is gonna be so good. Everything's ready and set up for starting the recording, like the whole decorum that we got, and our beautiful asparagus. Man, I can't wait to be actually cooking these. Of course, I gotta have something to go with it. I've got this beautiful pork. I'm just gonna take it out so you guys can properly see, because this is the stuff that dreams are made of. Look at that beautiful loin roast, but not just any loin roast. Like, look at it, the amount of fat and then the skin on the outside. Oh boy. That is so good. Oh man, it's gonna be so tasty. Like, this is what like I'm living for, and this is what I love about cooking. Getting all these things together and then having the special ingredients that are locally bought. That's just pure excitement. Marcel.
I thought you said spare ribs.
Spare ribs?
That is asparagus.
Yes. But you can think of them as spare ribs. It's okay.
They look like it. Kinda.
What's the last time you ate asparagus?
Well, I kinda don't like it.
I quit.
Come on,
I totally quit.
it's an acquired taste.
It's not an acquired taste.
Yeah, especially with ham and cheese, that's
It-
an acquired taste.
It's food heritage. If you don't like it, you never had it properly. That's what it is.
Yeah, but I eat it. I'm standing open for it.
Yeah, Morrison's standing open for it. I don't know if that really translates well. In Dutch is ik sta er open voor, but it basically means I have an open mind about the recipe and he has the willingness to try the asparagus. And I'll bet you if I make him for him, he's gonna love it. All right, let's start cooking some asparagus.
Let's talk about this.
What?
Entrecote wagyu.
Yeah, that's just a wagyu entrecote. Nobody cares about that.
What? There's
Dude,
a wagyu entrecote.
everybody's gonna go crazy over the asparagus.
No, man.
No, nobody cares about that.
Come on. Oh, it's Australian. Never mind then. Sorry, Australians.
Uh oh, Morrison.
Oh no.
Time you
I'm
start
gonna
your
get
own, start your own vlog
I'm
and
gonna get
upset
hate.
everybody on your own channel.
I'm gonna get hate mail from the Australians. I'm part Australian, so sorry.
Morrison thinks he's American and he has to say like I'm 1/3 Australian, 1/3 Dutch, and 1/3 American, and 1/3 Polish. In Australia, the only people that lived there were kangaroos.
Only people that live there watch this.
Yeah, now I'm in the bad spot. Oh man, what are we saying? Like, this is upsetting. Sorry for our ignorance. We do apologize for being stupid people.
We need to wake up before we talk.
Yeah, first coffee, that's better. Then start cooking, maybe. Look, the dog's got me bleeding all over the place. You don't like to be brushed. What am I gonna do? What am I going to do? Come. Come here. This is like my dog is the ultimate trained Pyrenees mountain dog. At one click of a finger, she does whatever needs to be done at my command and my command only. Eva, kom eens. Kom maar borstelen. Look, I called her, she comes. I brush her, she lays completely still and flat and accept all my... Eva, hier. Zit. Lig. Goed zo. Ga eens liggen. Goed zo. Look at how obedient she is. She never tries to bite me or anything. She always stays still. She just likes to be brushed overall. She's like, Eva, you like this? Oh, and a little bit of blood loss, but that's the things you gotta accept. It's a tough dog. You need to be a tough owner. I don't think this is going to be a good Pyrenees mountain dog commercial. Oh boy. I always pretend I know, and I think it's. I say it's healthy.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's true. Honestly.
It feels healthy.
It feels healthy. How do you feel?
I feel good.
So.
Yeah.
Then it's healthy. Your
And-
body talks.
And like I don't want to be rude or anything, but like the asparagus are kind of getting cold now. But I like that because it makes the pork so fresh, like you're eating a salad.
But
I love it.
Morrison, for the vlog.
Yeah.
You are eating the asparagus right now.
Yeah.
And he ate all the best parts. Look at it. Morrison,
No,
in the
no.
taste test of the video, Morrison
No.
ate all the tips. Look at it.
Oh no.
Yes, he did.
Oh man.
Even the dog loves the asparagus. Morrison, if dogs love asparagus,
Yeah.
it must be good, right?
It must be good. She's eating all the veggies.
All
That's
right.
amazing. That's amazing.
And that's why I love it so much. If the dog loves it, Morrison loves it, I love it. It's like the gold that comes from our country, like what we have in season right now. I'm just waiting on the turnips to come up next because I love turnips just that little bit more. But this is like the best second. And I better get in there. Morrison eating the whole thing. There he goes. He's just like sneaky eating everything while I'm standing here talking to you guys. You know how that makes me feel? Super angry. Hope you guys enjoyed the show. Because I gotta get in there. I gotta be part of the action. Hope to see you guys next time. And cheers, guys. Say bye-bye, Marcel.
Bye-bye. I'm full, almost.
Almost full? That's good news.